Salut tout le monde, c'est Yue pour ce nouvel épisode de The Vampire Bloodlines 2, ou tout si on veut dire en anglais directement, Masquerade. Donc l'Ogramme m'a demandé de me balader, nous sommes en 1925 et on va donc se balader. Donc là on est dans un souvenir de Fabien, le détective Malcave, qui a été diablerisé par Fire, le personnage qu'on intègre. Ça se passe pendant un rêve, une nuit de Fire, sachant que normalement les vampires ne rêvent pas. Fletcher, ça.
Well, if it isn't our very own investigator, I suppose they'd...
Hello there, Mr. Fletcher.
Hope you haven't eaten. There'll be some rather keen party favors along shortly.
The sisters, the princes, they make quite the impression.
Oh, don't they just? Power, old sport, is a heady pheromone. It makes the delightful delectable. It's a good look for the city. You can't buy charisma.
How's business? I hear the chink of comb.
You know, Prohibition's been a boom, an absolute boom. Rosalind and Lou take their cut, of course, but the coffers are swelling. It's hardly a chore to pay that. We have a few rivals to put down. Easily dealt with. People know we have capable hands at the wheel.
Capable hands? There's a history then.
You must know it, Detective. You lived here before you died, after all. The fire, the city's death and rebirth. I admire someone who has the guts to take direct action, don't you? I'm sure Hector will fill you in. Every lawman should know their city. Just so long as you overlook any whiskey barrels you find in dark places.
I'll leave you to it.
Have a drink, Detective. Let your hair...
C'est particulier comme déco. Tu veux dire qu'ici il n'y a que des vampires ou des ghouls?
Sheriff, good to see you. Enjoying the party?
Yeah, having a whale of a time. You just missed me doing the Charleston. Listen up. Court soirees ain't about cake and cookies. Everyone has a role to play. A foothold to gain or a score to settle. But you and me, it's our job to stop trouble before it happens. No one's above it, so do a few rounds, bump gums, get to know them all a little better. Forewarned is
Anything I should know?
Yeah, I got something. The cigarette girl killer. Knew the whole Cross and Reap. Now don't go spreading this around. We don't want to start a pet. But doesn't this sound to you like the work of Santiago? Who? Ah, come on, Fabian. He hit the mortal front pages down in Frisco. Serial killer? Ask Isaac. The Nosferatu. He'll fill you in.
Fletcher spoke about the Great Fire. Said it was more than a pot of glue on a stove.
Before your time and mine. But the way I hear it, the old prince got caught up in something. Wanted to break our chains, raise up the modern vampire, treat the mortals as cattle. Lou and Rosalind, they understood that if you keep your stock sweet, you'll get more milk out of them, right? Burned out the cult wholesale. Their sire along with it. That's how I read it. I would not raise it with the sisters.
Who are these people? What are their lines? Who should I suck up to? Who should I avoid? What makes them all tick?
Hey, bloodsuckers are bloodsuckers. But we all share a secret, so we stick together. Lou calls it a family, and it's a family business. The court runs on money as much as blood. Mortals will pay a pretty penny for any. Fletcher runs the booze. Under Lou's wing, he's got free reign. Your old man Gideon handles the gambling. Rosalind's the schemer. She's got Isaac, who has an ear in every alleyway. And she took in the Tremere girl to keep one foot in the arcane and one in the latest science. And you just make sure it all goes off without mortals catching on. Both the princes thought Gideon had it right, getting someone in the PD.
Ah, ça veut dire que le shérif il est pas lui-même dans la police?
So, another year, huh?
What am I gonna do, huh? Find a pretty dame to kiss at midnight? Make a resolution to drink less and go to church? Counting off the years when you're immortal. What's the point? It's just a number.
You've given me a lot to think about.
Eyes open, head down, all right?
Qui c'est qui est là? Monsieur Ratu?
Evening. You're
Isaac,
Isaac,
peut-être.
right? Pleasant night.
Oh, am I in your place? My apologies, please. Pardon me.
No, not at all. It was you I wanted to talk to.
Why?
I'm surprised to see you here. I heard you don't get...
Yes.
You don't strike me as the type of fella who lives it up at the...
No.
En fait, il va en apprendre plus sur moi que je vais en apprendre sur lui.
Might I ask what brings you here?
The princes asked me to come, so I came. I'm their secret keeper. I observe, I learn, I research, I remember. They find it useful to have me on hand. Kindred of my clan are not well suited to such events, but I will step into the light when requested.
I get it. No one wants to outshine the hosts.
Indeed.
I gotta say, I do find the Nosferatu an interesting riddle. Would you be open to a sit-down some other time so I can pick your brains? I'd like to learn more about your folk, about your role in the Camarilla. I hope that ain't too forward.
Is it forward? I do not know. But I would enjoy sharing knowledge, so long as it is reciprocated.
Moi, je le voyais plus malin que ça.
Hector pointed me in your direction. What can you tell me about Santiago?
The hunter. Something of a legend, an enterprising mortal who has sent many kindred to their final deaths. New Orleans was one of his hunting grounds not 10 years ago, as was San Francisco in the previous decade. Little is known about the man or woman, save that their killings all feature the cross of St. James, a signature of sorts, hence the name. It is believed that he is a member of the Society of Leopold, one of the deadliest and most ancient factions of hunters of the supernatural. If he is indeed such a zealot, he believes himself to be a literal soldier of Christ.
Jesus.
Yes, that one.
Ça questionne parce que ce Santiago, ça voudrait dire que... Est-ce que c'est une identité qui se transmet dans la société de Léopold? Est-ce que c'est plusieurs personnes avec le même modus operandi? Il revient au même que la première théorie. Est-ce que c'est un vampire? Est-ce que c'est un humain qui prend du sang de vampire pour être une goule?
I heard tell of a cult here in Seattle before the fire. You know anything about that?
I believe you refer to the whispers of Sabbat presence in the city. Properly, you should call them a sect, not a cult.
Huh. Sounds a bit sorta, you know, French.
The forcible dismantling of Camarilla power structures, the destruction of our antediluvian masters as they see them, the open domination of the vampire over the mortal, free of shackles such as the masquerade, loyalty, meritocracy, the
Le credo du
rejection of
sabbat,
traditional
la
hierarchies.
secte antagoniste à la
So what
Camarilla.
do they sect about, or cult about, or whatever the right word is?
They bind themselves together with rituals using blood sorcery and mixing their vitae to create mass blood bonds. All kinds of dark, unsavory practices.
Scratch that. Sounds like Pioneer Square on a Friday night.
C'est intéressant comme il y a une sorte de désinformation sur la réalité des faits, mais je trouve ça chouette parce que Isaac doit avoir ses propres biais et notre personnage également il sait rien du sabbat. Et ayant été maître du jeu pendant plus d'une décennie, j'en connais un peu plus.
It seems both our princes are in a fine mood tonight.
Yes, they are in good spirits. Some believe it impossible for two kindred to rule one domain. Indeed, I have found precious few instances of it being attempted before. It is assumed they will destroy each other in a bid to claim full power, but our princes seem to be the exception. They have not had a serious disagreement since March 2nd. It was a dinner party. Lou suggested I be forced to sire the beautiful wife of a politician who didn't laugh at her joke. Rosalind thought it crass.
So what do you think of our princes? Just between you and me.
They benefit each other in ways outsiders can't always see. Without both of them, Seattle would be in turmoil. Some find Rosalind cold and distant, but I think she is misunderstood. Not everyone enjoys being the center of attention.
I don't think we've ever met, though I've heard of you.
I know who you are. The detective. Malkavian bloodline sired by Gideon Hall. A dog who will never let go of a bone. They call you only
Sympa
Fabian,
un
but your full
compliment.
name is...
Whoa there! Let a man keep a little of his mystique, won't you?
Very well. You are Fabian, and I am Isaac.
It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance. I must
Il est
fraternize
cool
with
ce
my
Pierre Isaac.
adoring fans.
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Ah, ça parle de nomades.
Moment of your time, Sheriff.
Got something interesting?
I'll be back.
Tread carefully.
Ah, mon sire.
Good evening to you both.
How are you finding the party, my boy? They haven't kicked you out? You know Sophia, of course.
We've not actually
J'avais
met.
pas reconnu Safia.
I don't want to intrude.
Oh, please do. Fabian, right? You sent Gideon the puzzle? You are just as I imagined. He has told me so much. I mean, not that we talk behind your back or anything. Well, we do. But it's all good things.
Ah, yes. Thank you for reminding me. That
I passed an entire night on it.
Wasn't it just? It was id as a two-letter word that baffled.
Yes, completely threw off my cipher. If you find any more like that, you...
Ils se tiennent juste devant un feu. En vrai, c'est impressionnant parce que dans le monde de vampires, la bête qui sommeille en chacun des vampires est extrêmement effrayée par le feu puisque c'est une des seules sources capables de le détruire de façon ferme et définitive comme le soleil et la tête arrachée.
What are you working on, Sophia?
I just like to keep my head down. Try and be useful where I can.
don't be so modest. Oh, you must tell Fabian about the wireless.
The wireless, yes. Imagine, we listened to an orchestra concert.
All the way from New York. Sophia has built a set from parts. Oh, it sounds like scratching in a box to me, but...
The potential to communicate instantly between cities, not shackled to the telegraph.
But then the risk.
Mais les anciens savent déjà faire ça avec l'Ospex.
Equipment in their garage, and our secrets are blasting out across the ether.
Well, that's the most alarming thing I've heard in a long time.
Exactly.
Pas trop améliorer la
Completely
technologie,
terrifying.
parce que si les humains arrivent à être aussi puissants que nous avec nos disciplines, c'est nous mettre sur un pied d'égalité et ils sont plus nombreux avec le soleil de leur côté.
So how are things, oh sire of mine?
Ah, same old, same old. They saunter in so full of hope and lose it at the table.
You did pick up on that fascinating man the other day. The one with the numbers?
That's right. The numbers man. I could tell he was working an angle. Fidgety fingers, you know? I went over, asked him very politely. Those beans came spilling
Poliment,
out.
avec domination certainement.
He's some sort of math whiz, brain full of digits, flapping around like butterflies. So we broke a few of his actual digits and threw him out on his rear. You'd have liked him, I'm sure.
Is there anything I should, be aware of?
Actually, now you mention it, yes, a little morsel for you. Our friend Hector. I noticed some tension around the way he's holding his jaw. He's hiding something. A little push, and I could read enough to tell it was about a girl. I've never known him to spend time on romance. Interesting, don't you think?
I was joined with Fletcher, and, well, to be frank, he doesn't think much of either of you.
My dear boy, we may all be bloodsuckers, but Fletcher is a leech. He doesn't value you unless he can ride around on your shoulders like the parasite he is.
Gideon's insightful nature makes some kindred uncomfortable.
And Sophia's razor-sharp intellect makes us all feel like dullards.
I think maybe my tendency to put both feet in my mouth is what annoys them.
Oh, I hear you. I'm always giving myself a swift kick in the teeth.
Souvent dans la gueule, comme Chuck Norris.
Are all Camarilla princes like ours?
Terrifying, gorgeous, power-hungry tyrants, you mean? For the most part, yes. We could do a lot worse than our girls, I suppose, but truly, all I hear of princes follows the pattern. You have to remember, my boy, we are all sharks in human clothing.
It is also short-sighted. I'm not criticizing them, of course. I would never. I think our community would be better served if we spent a little more time researching all these emerging
Ça, par contre, oui, c'est une bonne idée, Sophia.
So we can protect ourselves. And a little less time,
Se quereller.
Posing in ballrooms? Very true, my dear. Disappointing, but not surprising.
I should do the rounds.
a pleasure.
Yes, of course, of course.
Ah bah ils sont sympas tous les deux.
I couldn't keep Lou waiting all night. Time to head up to face her.
Lou Graham à nous deux. J'aimerais quand même discuter un peu avec Hector, histoire d'amoureuse.
Can we talk, boss?
Fire away.
You're worried about someone. A girl.
What?
I'm working the masquerade beat for you. Let me help.
Alright, just don't lay that spooky mouth shit on me. Look, if it becomes a thing, maybe you'll hear about it. But for now...
See you around.
Sure.
Le tueur, on va laisser tranquille. Allons voir Lou Graham, l'une des deux princes de Seattle. Elle est là.
Mistress Lou, you had something you wanted to discuss.
Ah, yes. The future, detective.
I'll be honored, of course, to help you, but
As you should be.
what do you want me to look into, Mistress Lou?
You're aware of our recent troubles in the liquor market? Has Fletcher said
He
anything?
mentioned something in passing about rivals.
We are about to expand, but are suffering from a small roadblock, detective. A roadblock?
Fine.
Your territory, at least. Our Vancouver run has been interrupted, perhaps even redirected, and the rumors...
Any names, faces?
Not as of yet. I do have a location and have managed to acquire some photographs. I will have my...
That does sound like a solid start to a case.
Now, if we can just...
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? C'est Rebecca?
One from the top, both literal and figurative.
Quand elle n'est pas tombée enceinte, ça veut dire qu'elle n'était pas si ancienne.
Of Seattle, and I had a feeling he was just getting started.
Quelqu'un, il a pas peur, il a fait ça à côté d'un endroit où il y avait la plupart des Kainites. Wow. Habile. Les Kainites, c'est le nom pour appeler les vampires, hein, puisqu'ils sont descendants de Cain.
Well,
Même si
rise
tous les
and shine,
vampires ne
Sheriff.
croient pas au
About
mythe
time
de
you
Cain.
popped in. See what the prince has lined up for us tonight.
You have nothing to say about your memories?
Well, that was a lineup of faces from 100 years back. Something's pulling them out of my past. Do I trust my own mind? I would not vouch for it. I do think those things happen, but why we're both seeing them and what bearing they have on our case? That is a puzzle I can't answer right now. I guess we should head out.
C'est quand même abominable, moi ce chat, ça me tracasse. Il faudrait qu'on puisse nettoyer notre appart. C'est un bazar sans nom. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a de beau? Trouver Madame Thorne au café. On va commencer par là. Alors j'ai un peu peur que ça se transforme en quête FedEx. On va voir, mais...
About time.
Oh, qu'est-ce que tu fais ici?
Surprise!
Surtout qu'en plus tu sais où j'habite.
What do you want, Tolly?
And a happy festive season to you too, my little Yule log. I figured we could catch up, fangs to fangs. It's Christmas. Everyone's too wrapped up to even look around. A modern tragedy, am I right? All the lonely people. Mind you, it makes for easy pickings when you're feeling the need.
It is refreshing to find one of your clan outside the shadows.
Stepping out's my thing. I might be undead, but I know what I am. What we both are, right? We're fabulous. We're gonna live forever, and the normies are terrified of us. You're a bloodsucker, my friend. It doesn't get any more queer than that.
Queer?
Embrace it. Love it. Masquerade permitting, of course. Terms and conditions definitely apply.
You need me to do something, right?
Yeah. Heard of Isabella Moore?
We met.
Well, of course you did. Bit of a poser, right? Toreador through and through. And then even further through. Art must be excess. Art must provoke. Art must live perilously close to railing the masquerade into orgasmic oblivion. Anyway, she has a nightclub, Atrium. There's blood on the snow
Je l'ai vu dans les
outside, and
souvenirs de
the
Fabien.
doors are locked. The cop bands are all stirred up. I'm kind of tied up with a thing. Do me a sheriffy favor, throw on your glad rags, slip into the party, see what's what.
Tell me about her. What am I likely to face?
Honest opinion? I fucking love art, you know? Real art, she's really good. But she's biting too deep. She's made it big among the kind. Magazine cover big. Heck, internet. The bigger she is, the closer she grinds herself along the edge of the masquerade.
I will visit this
A cut to the chase kind of share. Take it from a
2
self-serving
millions
rat
d'abonnés.
like me. You're doing okay so far. She might be new to this Prince thing, but the kid's swinging the hammer right now. Don't piss her off.
Celle qui a le pouvoir, c'est Lou Graham, et on le sait tous les deux, Tolly. La seule chose qui m'intéresse, c'est d'enlever ma malédiction. Le reste n'est que optionnel.
Does it strike you as funny? Dreaming about Miss Moore's club only to be sent there? It all connects in the end. Chain link to chain link.
Je dirais que c'est tes pouvoirs qui sont curieux. Pas bien.
Greetings, dear. Have you changed your hair?
I am not yet.
I am.
Pas assez de points.
You have some.
I realize this is a horrible cliche, but if you're passing St. Stephen's, there should be a package amongst the graves.
I will see it done. I will return.
Safia est partie, Madame Thorne. I'll be back. Alors il est où ce paquet? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
I guess that's Mrs. T's parcel. Only a little damp. We should get it back to her. Personne n'a rien vu.
Always such a pleasure.
Your package, Mrs. Thornton.
Strange what powers mortals associate with stone and bones, isn't it? Have a cup on the house to pep you up.
You have some...
Not tonight.
Be what...
Ah, du coup je peux prendre la suite.
I would like some...
I find...
Donc ça c'est une sorte de téléporteur pour revenir en
There
arrière.
was no copious vomiting last time. Pity. I should have liked... Well, bottom... Well, I hope that job...
I would...
Yes, indeed. Ready for another sip? Seems to have worked.
You have a plet...
Alors le chaudron de sang en vrai c'est abusé. C'est bizarre qu'ils soient en numéro 3. C'était pas la 4e compétence.
I would like some...
I look for...
1, 2, 3, 4. Ou alors 1, 2, 3, 4. Mince. Parce que justement je l'ai appris en pensant pouvoir le mettre à la place de ma 4e compétence que je trouve pas ouf. Ah dommage.
I look forward to speaking again.
Alors je veux juste voir les nouveaux costumes qu'on a débloqués. Le sorcier. Le mage. Ok. Moi je préfère le prêtre. J'aime bien le dévoreur de péché aussi. Alors. On va voir ce que notre collègue toréador a à nous raconter. contre, il va falloir quand même que je récupère du sang spécifique pour pouvoir augmenter mes compétences, mais il y a vraiment beaucoup de gens. Peut-être qu'en récupérant des compétences du Banu Hakim, ce sera plus simple. En s'occultant. Et il y a vraiment des packs de persos.
I've been thinking all night about ways to use this wristwatch.
I would like you.
Let's give it a...
J'ai plus du tout de points.
I look forward to.
J'ai toujours pas les fameuses croix qu'elle demande.
Come in, stay a while. It is good to get out of the snow.
Is there some?
I do have some. This glove belonged to Edward. Edward wore this glove to reduce clear bruising from the knuckles and scratches from his nails. His girlfriend is
Il était un féminicide.
I will. I hope you're not.
Fucking snow in Seattle.
Fucking thing.
Sheesh.
C'est toi, Edouard. Attaquer, se nourrir. Ah, et on peut pas juste lui parler? Parce qu'il est quand même escorté par deux personnes de la police. Est-ce qu'on laisserait pas la justice régler ça? C'est bon, ils ont arrêté de le suivre.
That should see Nico satisfied. Let's drop in on him.
Better call this in.
Jesus H. Christ on a cross! You're crazy! Leave me alone!
Il va y avoir un truc quelque part, mais ah, il était là. Bien, ne vous inquiétez pas, c'est normal.
here you visited. Oh, I have some elixir you might make you. I need to consult my list.
Be well.
J'espère qu'Onda elle va pas me demander de chasser à nouveau pour le prince. Elle saura se débrouiller. Je regarde s'il y a des êtres humains qui valent le coup d'être vidés. Il y a un peu trop de témoins.
What can I do for you, Sheriff?
Is there trouble?
Yeah, Arjun's one of the things.
I will find them. Have a good night.
On va péter la gueule à des ghouls encore. Donc on situe un peu le type de mission. Prague, bagarre. Pas faire comme Mario, c'est dommage. Je me demande si on peut accéder à la roue qui est là-bas. Alors elle est par ici, la carte elle donne quoi? Ça me semble un peu hors jeu quand même. Attends, je suis mort là? Ah oui. Ça a été rapide. Je voulais juste finir le gars qui était en haut. Il est un peu bugué dans le vide et paf, ça fait des chocs à pic. On a vrai, on recommence. Je me demande du coup si ça reset tout ce que j'ai récupéré comme centre tout à l'heure ou pas. J'ai pas fait attention à quel niveau on était.
waste my time. Do it. Should have left while you could. See what you feel. I can't wait. Got him here.
Lui qui me tire dessus. Il va me tuer ce con. Oh putain, je suis encore mort. Ok, on va peut-être la jouer un peu moins bourrin. Est-ce que ça marche pas? Donc on avait 4 dans la compétence, on va voir si en sautant les bonhommes on est toujours à 4 ou pas. Et je vais la jouer un peu moins bourrin pour que ça passe. Alors, je suis pas sûr du coup qu'on gagne vraiment quelque chose. J'ai l'impression que ça reboot comme un respawn. Pourtant, mes consommables se sont perdus. Attends, le petit bout de mur là, il me bloque. Ah oui.
Great. Nothing. Lovely waste of time.
Do not waste my time.
Do I still get to celebrate Christmas if they embrace me? Bet it was nothing.
La cinématique c'est rigolo, mais je me fais défoncer en attendant. Paf, ça a fait des chocs à pic. On a flingué tout le monde? Oui. Est-ce qu'il faut retourner rendre des comptes? J'ai pas l'impression. On va quand même le faire dans le doute. Hop, j'ai pas vu que je courais en mode vampirique. Bonjour.
May you be blessed.
How many Hail Marys will I need to do after? I'm gonna make your dreams come true.
Alors, je vais bien me nourrir, mais t'es entouré de gens.
Watch your step. I know a nice hotel. Rooms by the hour.
Ça va, je lui fais un bisou.
Taking a shot. Back off! I'm warning you.
Comment les gens peuvent savoir que c'est moi? Avec un bois d'hélicoptère. Il est joli ce coin-là. J'ai cru que c'était un corps. Bon, tout le monde s'est calmé. Apparemment les suçons c'est interdit. Alors, est-ce que tu m'as rendu quelque chose?
Looks like I'm not getting rid of you anytime soon, am I?
Is there trouble?
I'm waiting on word from upstairs.
Pleasure as always.
D'accord, tout ça pour ça. La direction l'Atrium. Suspicion d'enlèvement entre la flambée entre gangs. Je suis en plein milieu de la route parce que personne ne roule. Oh, c'est rose.
There's Atrium, a fancy feeding ground for a fancy dame. There's our boys in blue. Tread carefully.
Evening, friend. Afraid there's no fun to be found here. Back of the line, maybe it'll open up later.
Officer McMillan. 3 kids, wife has a bad leg.
Officer McMillan, good to see you again. How is your dear wife?
Hey there. She's good, thank you. But if you know Abigail, you know she'd tell you to run along home. Strong drink is a mocker.
Yeah, that's Abigail.
Place is blocked up tight and no one's answering. Sorry to spoil your night, friend, but I'd find your party elsewhere.
So much for sweet talking. It's a big building. There'll be another way inside.
Certainement, oui.
Blood on the snow. If I had to guess, that came from Atrium. Maybe you could scramble up, look for a window.
C'est un peu con qu'il me donne la solution aussi vite. C'est pareil, c'est dommage que ce soit indiqué dans les sous-titres Ghoul. Ça voudrait dire voix d'homme ou point d'interrogation, ça marche aussi. C'est des ghouls du sabbat en fait. Oh oui. Ça c'est pas des anards. Merde. Pourquoi mon coup concentré ne marche pas? Donc ces ghouls sont bizarres. Ah ouais, bon, fermés dans un coin. Vraiment que tu peux résister à un ancien. Déjà c'est incroyable que t'aies pas été brisé. Surtout avec la puissance du laçon bras. Ok, la chasse au con est ouverte. T'es qui toi? Soit t'es une ghoul, soit t'es carrément... Sang clair marqué, d'accord, ouais, c'est un vampire. Par contre qu'un sang clair me pose autant de problèmes. Alors c'est pas mon symbole, Fabien. On peut être copains si tu me dis des choses pareilles. Qu'est-ce qu'ils faisaient? Ils apportaient un paquet de cadavres. Qu'est-ce qu'ils sont en train de foutre?
Ready to go into the club soon? I wouldn't miss it. I drink so many. Beautiful. The dedication. I am and I will be. Art is my song. So that.
Pourquoi j'ai gagné de l'XP? Ça fait du bruit, espèce de tocard.
and emerge as poetry of the blood. My docile lambs, my unflinching acolytes, my sacrificial virgins, my weak, rocking cradles. To you who are the source, to you who lie spent, the water of life flowed onward to the fountain. Fragile ephemera, icicles on the tongue, a sacrament of the flesh to rise us upwards. We give of you because it is required.
Someone has to.
Great art requires sacrifice, a dedication. I am beauty, and I will. My art is my song. Music to last me.
Le stocker. Oh putain, il m'a flingué. Je comprends pas, il y avait un pistolet par terre, j'arrivais pas à le ramasser. Il a bien joué lui. Et mal joué à moi. Ah, on repop juste là. Ça va.
Great art requires sacrifice, a dedication. The drops that fall from the overcast are scarlet, and each thrums with the steel heart. No more hiding. No more to hiding and craving dog. We still thrones, and being and you become art, become the dance and the interchange. This is my prayer. This new world, this gift, this giving, this heart is mine. Give this heart to you.
Cease.
Is my song to last for ages. I have seen less down on the world compute. I have waddled and seen the dawn we can walk through when our works are ruled. The drops that fall from the overcast are scarlet. No more hiding.
Search the night.
Okay, if you say so.
We will sit on throne.
Gone.
Ça va pas bugger là. Pour que vous compreniez bien, c'est pas que le perso est complètement con, c'est simplement que là il était affecté par la terreur, donc il essaie de s'enfuir, marche pas forcément très bien quand on est en PLS.
I am beauty, and I will be heard. Icicles on the tongue, a sacrament of the flesh to rise us above. We give of you because it is required. Great art requires sacrifice, a dedication, and I will be heard.
À sa place, je prendrais pas l'ascenseur dans un taudis pareil. Attends, elle se fout de ma gueule là, elle a carrément la marque que j'ai sur le corps sur une peinture. C'est délibéré ou alors où est-ce qu'elle... Oh bordel, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Ça va pas passer là. Ah, la mascarade elle est plus que brisée, il faut que personne ne rentre là-dedans. Tu m'étonnes que Tony m'a appelé. Tolly, pardon. Je suis désolé, mais vu la qualité des graphismes, on dirait plus un morceau de plastique, la dame.
army of her security were around, I'd say knuckle an answer out of them.
I give this heart to you, my people. So jump, Teshi, jump, and emerge as poetry of the blood.
Poil narcissique cette dame. Oh, Isabella. Dans quoi tu as traîné? On m'a dit qu'il y avait des jambes là, comme étaient faits les plis. Pareil, c'est une vraie personne ça ou c'est... C'est tout le même skin, ça me sort de l'histoire. Psychopathe, en avant les histoires.
Whose art, Adrian?
Music to last through the ages.
Hallowed be the fame.
I have seen Lascaux in the thickening of a world.
De loin, j'ai cru qu'elle avait des crocs et la bouche ouverte. Ah non, pas du tout. C'est marrant. J'ai eu l'impression d'entendre à un moment donné une sorte de goule de sang. Bon, elle va pas bouger. Vous avez vu quelque chose, mademoiselle?
Amen. Well, hey there. Pretty as you are. I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to find another.
A little short. She's nearly empty.
On n'est plus à un mort près malheureusement.
Now,
Il
why
faut
would
aller
you
vite.
want to go in there? You got pure intentions? Because I'll die.
I'm here to appreciate the art. I hear this will be...
You got that right. She's the greatest artist that ever...
And how do you fit into this?
Wait. Don't we?
I'm Victorine. I'm Lizzie Siddle.
You are her food.
Well, I guess you could just call me Verona, but you'll see. Oh, she'll paint me eternally be...
Oh my.
Enough of this time waste.
I do have a week. It don't matter. You'd be too late to... She paints salvation. She'll take us to heaven.
That's our clue. It's her work. The entrance is something to do.
She gonna pin me up against the wall. I can't...
Ah, c'est le problème de la présence, ils perdent complètement les pédales, les gens.
So, the way in is through her art somehow. Well, Verona went down the same route as her sister. Guess it's one way to grieve.
And emerge as poetry of the blood. To you,
J'ai réussi à l'éteindre. Celui-là, c'est un peu, on dirait qu'il réinitialise tout le monde.
To you who lie spent,
Celui-là fait rien non plus. Celui-là je peux l'éteindre. Je peux l'éteindre aussi. Je peux l'éteindre. Est-ce qu'on va pouvoir éteindre le dernier? Oui. Alors j'ai trouvé, mais je sais pas du tout comment. J'ai résolu l'énigme sans la comprendre. Ah merde, c'est nous son chef-d'œuvre. On aurait dû s'en douter.
Fire? Fire, you alright? She's done something to me. She knew you were coming. She practically brought us here to sap your power. I have never heard of this. What in tarnation?
Ils sont écorchés, c'est quoi ce bordel? C'est juste leur tenue qui est chelou. Ah ouais, si, ils sont bizarres là. Il est très très con le héros. Ah oui d'accord, en fait ils m'ont bloqué mes disciplines. Après ça reste des humains, hein. Je suis même pas sûr que ce soit des ghouls. À mon avis, elle travaille pour le sabbat, elle. Parce que ça fait très toréador anti-tribu. Le boss pour le sabbat, c'était biatch. Symbole de son clan au centre. C'est scripté, on est obligé de marcher dedans. Pas se faire acculer. Bah heureusement qu'on est un ancien.
So many bodies because of her. We need to end this.
Ah, mais il y a combien de milliers de victimes? Après, s'il avait 2 millions de followers, pour briser la mascarade, elle aurait pu utiliser un autre moyen que ça. Hein. Elle avait juste à massacrer des gens en ligne. Toujours pas la sale garce.
You have made this such a collaboration. How wonderfully destructive of you.
T'as pas peur face à un ancien. Hein.
Is violence without the right canvas? Is our work not sublime?
Slaughter is hardly art, Isabella.
Oh, but that's where you're wrong, dearest. Art is the delicate brutality to pursue. I thought you might. La Sombra have never shied from true.
She does like the sound of her own voice.
You know this mark. You.
A child's doodle. Unimaginative. Think of it as a harness designed to. I won't deny that leashing you is pleasant.
You invited me here.
Don't think so little of yourself, no. A misplaced fragment?
What are you...
Don't you fret.
Enough of...
We've put off our love match long.
I will have straight and
what can you give me for them? I've told you before.
This is more than you alone.
It's in her eyes. She's dying to tell you.
It seems you have chosen my role. A dance of destruct. Just give me a name. And
oh, little flame, you do understand. Let me loosen your chains so that I as to what lies behind. My answer should be you've spent centuries running.
Sabbath. Monsters. A death cult.
C'était évident.
So
Toréador anti-tribu.
I should hope not. Now.
Jolie célérité. On manque le sabbat peu quelque chose, espèce de garce. Appelle tes mignons si tu veux. C'est que des poupées de sang, c'est même pas des ghouls. Qui commence à être intéressant. Allez, viens là, Isabella. Montrer ce que c'est que la vraie terreur. Tu vas beaucoup courir vite. Ça va juste précipiter ta chute. Allez, reviens là. On en finisse. Je sais pas à quoi tu pensais en t'attaquant à un ancien. Petite merde. Le prince sera pas aussi clément avec toi, je sais pas qui est ton sire, mais tu vas être démembré. Viens d'où cette magie?
Tell me how to get rid of it.
Little flame. Love me.
Fire, this is her power.
Putain, présence. Ça par contre on peut pas y résister, peu importe la génération. Il faut la tuer. Pas le choix. Détruis-la.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Alors est-ce qu'il la laisse en torpeur ou est-ce qu'on considère qu'il lui a arraché la tête? Là c'est ambigu ce qu'on vient de voir. Eh ben, je m'attendais pas à ça.
Ah, Fire. Everything under wraps? How's Isabella holding up?
I did not share her artistic viewpoint. She was puppeting her crowd, draining them, her lake of blood to bathe in. She had no intent to preserve the masquerade. Quite the opposite, in fact. So, I took her head.
Well, shit. She always was one match away from an exploding cigar.
There's gonna be fallout. Tully, the PD.
On it. Gonna be tricky without our back room buddy, but I'll get it done.
But Tully's right. She was a problem. It's past time we trim the fat. Call it
Arrêtez du sabbat surtout, de l'épée de Cain.
It makes things easier. Well done, Sheriff. I'll make sure you're compensated.
I am not finished with my report. Isabella. She claimed to be Sabbat, a member of the Sword of Cain.
Alors qu'il avait l'air d'être la primogène Torador, ça craint.
Cultists, Diablerists, the ancient blight. In the name of Cain, they would expose us, ruin us, run us out, or worse. No princedom is safe. Even a stable Seattle would fall to their chaos.
Cutie, you'd look great in a tinfoil hat, but I smell either batshit or bullshit.
Tully! I apologize for him, Fire. Please, continue.
Sabbat existe vraiment.
That is not all. My mark. She knew it. She used it, somehow, to weaken me.
Listen, Demolition Derby, that's not the sort of thing you should throw around, capiche? A sheriff with a kill switch is not a useful sheriff.
Tully!
Certes,
Look, Prince,
il
with
vaut mieux
all
pas le sécher.
genuine respect, you had 100 problems. Now you have 99, because thanks to the Nomad over here, a Tory ain't one. But Sabat's in the Belfry? Let's not invent ourselves a whole new to-do list.
I hear you, but we stay in business by dotting our I's and crossing. Fire, look into this. I'll let Sophia know. Tully, just try to be helpful.
On va déjà éviter que la mascarade parte en sucette. Bien, on va s'arrêter là pour ce soir. Merci d'avoir suivi ce live et à bientôt. Ciao ciao.